Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Curly and Confident. Today we are going to be blow drying hair. We are using the Tresemme heat protectant. This is like my OG product. I used this when I was in high school and just kind of kept using it. I haven't used another heat protectant in a really long time, and it seems to work for me and for my oldest hair. I haven't blow dried my youngest hair yet, so it works really well for the two of us, and don't fix it if it's not broken, right? So we already use the leave-in condition on her hair, and as we were doing that, I made sure that I detangled for one, but also I sectioned her hair. Her hair is in five different sections. I normally do it in four or five sections. It kind of just depends on how I'm feeling in the moment. Right now, her hair it's getting longer, so adding more sections just makes the process go by a little bit faster. We do use I believe this is the Conair hair dryer. If I'm mistaken, I will just put in the word here of what it's actually called. But it does work really well to blow dry her hair and mine. I appreciate how quickly it blow dries the hair. The only thing that I don't like is that it's hard to clean. So if you decide to get this blow drying brush, just keep that in mind. It's harder to clean. I feel like you can't really submerge it actually in water at all to clean the brush. You kind of have to use like a toothbrush and go in between, pull the hair out of the brush. So there's some things about this blow dryer that I definitely don't like, but I do like that it blow dries the hair really quickly and efficiently. The head of the blow dryer can get kind of hot, so towards the end of blow drying her hair, I will put my hand in certain areas just so that the blow dryer isn't touching her skin, because like I said, it does get pretty hot. And I'll use the tension method sometimes, where I will just hold the blow dryer in front of her face, going back and forth kind of quickly, but adding tension to the front bits of her hair, just again, so that it doesn't get too hot. We hold down her ears so that we don't get her ears as well. I try to move quickly towards the front just so that it doesn't get too hot, but I do make sure that her hair is blow dried well enough. Now, the whole reason I wanted to blow dry her hair was to trim her hair. And then also, she wanted lemonade braids at the time, but then she saw her hair blow dried and she completely changed her mind, which is totally fine. We haven't had her hair blow dried in a little while, so I completely understand why she wanted it to be down and blow dried, because it's beautiful when it's curly and when it's straight, when it's braided, and I love that for her. So I'm going to continue to blow dry her hair, and thanks guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.